that Canva can create websites. Yeah, I know. If you are a real estate agent, then you need to do this for your next listing, because in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page or promo page for your real estate listing. Hi friends, it's Laressa. Welcome back or welcome to the YouTube channel. If you are new, this is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate agents level up their media game with Canva and the Wolfpack here at EXP. Now, this tutorial is going to blow your mind because it blew my mind, because I didn't know that you can create beautiful working websites with Canva. I'm so excited to show you this because this is going to take Canva to the next level. So if you're ready, let's go. Right, so here we are at the Canva dashboard. This is going to be really simple to do. So what we are going to do is click on the presentation, which is the 1920 by 1080. Yeah, very simple. Now, what we're going to do is create 4 pages. I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 4. The first page is going to be a picture of your listing. The second page is going to be some highlights about the property. The third page is going to be a listing video if you have one on YouTube, or if you're going to do one, I recommend you do that. And the fourth one is going to be a CTA, or a call to action, to prompt people to either contact you or go to your website to view the listing, or also follow you on other social media channels. So let's begin. Now, for the first page, like I said, we're going to take a photo of your listing. I'm just going to use a random photo from Canva for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to search up house, and let's see what we are working with here. I like this one. Ooh, nice. I think this is a rendered photo. I don't think, yeah, okay. Anyways, we're going to choose that. Next up, we are going to put some text over top. So you can put your slogan if you have one. Typically for myself, I like to use say yes to the address. Say yes, oops, yes to the address. And I'm gonna make this bigger here. Don't worry, we're gonna make this look nice. Then a second heading underneath, I'm just gonna put in capital letters, welcome to your dream home. Oops, dream home. And let's bump this up like that. Okay. That's centered, and I'm going to fix the spacing. And I know you're probably like, this is kind of crazy, you can't see the text, but okay, we're gonna work on that. Okay, don't worry. So we're just gonna make this really big here. And then what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to make the background a little bit more transparent, so that way we can see the text. So let's go, yeah, maybe 45. Okay, let's see if we can make this. I'm gonna change to my brand kit to my real estate one. Welcome to your dream home. Yellow, no. Okay, let's just do that for now. I think I'm going to put some kind of effect on this one. Lift, shadow. Yeah, I like the shadow. And then, let's see here. Let's go into elements, and I want some fun little animation. So I was gonna look up white. Just go white. And then we're gonna go white animations. Then I'm going to filter it by animated, and let's just see, apply filters, graphics. There you have a whole bunch to work with. This arrow one is fun. Actually, let's go arrow. And this is the one I want. I like this one a lot. This one's always fun. So I'm gonna size that down. Put that in the center here. And maybe if we put that at the top. And then I'm going to create a button down here. Let's go back to text. Actually, let's go into elements, and we're going to click out of here and go into lines and shape. And I want to use, let's see, typically just like to always use the square or rectangle with the rounded edges. And we are going to be, like I said, making a button. And we are going to connect this button to one of the pages down below. And I'm going to make this white. Okay, now go into text. And I'm going to put that right on top. And we're going to put view home tour. Let's bold that. Let's give it a bit of a lift in the shadow, and let's make it bigger. And let's find another element here. Maybe a mouse. Click. Let's search again by animated. Okay, so there's a few to work with here. Maybe this one. Maybe not that one, because you can't really see the text here. Or maybe this one. I'm just gonna shorten the button then. Let's do that. And like I said, you can put whatever you want here. You don't even have to put this button. Over here. Okay, so that's your first page done. Then we are going to group this one here, and then to link this to a different page inside Canva, we are going to hit the link button here, and we are just going to link it to the third page for now, which is where I'm going to put the YouTube listing video. So do that for now, and you'll understand what I mean once we go through the rest of the pages. Okay, now since that was the first one, now we want to work on the second one, and the second page is going to be the one with some of the listing photos, and we're going to have some of the text in here as well. So with this one, I like to create a collage of photos. So we're going to go into elements, and we're going to go into grids, and you can put as many photos as you want, but not too many, because we want people to actually click the MLS listing or ask you for more information. So let's go with 4 photos, if you will. So I'm going to find a grid that has 4 photos. Maybe perhaps this one. And what I'm going to do is just kind of go halfway on the page, or maybe 2/3. And at this point, what you can do is just drag and drop some of the photos in here. But again, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to take photos from Canva. So let's see. I'm going to go house again, and we'll just grab this living room. Let's see if there's a kitchen. Okay, then let's go backyard. Put that back here. Or that doesn't really make sense because you can see the backyard here, but let's just pretend. Okay, let's just pretend. And then we'll do a laundry room, because I mean, having a nice laundry room is important. Not that one. Well, let's see here. This one. There we go. Perfect. Now, like I said, on this side here, we can go ahead and put in your text. So go back to text. We're gonna put subheading here. And just go ahead, you can copy and paste your actual MLS description if you'd like, or you can do bullet point style text, which I am going to do. So I'm just going to copy and paste that from a document I have. And boom. There we go. You can also change the color of the font as well. So let's just do that. There we have the second page. Now the third page, like I said, we are going to put in a YouTube video. But first I want to put in another photo of the home. We'll just go again and use this photo. Just going to set it as the background image. And again, let's kind of just tone it down, put the transparency down. And there's a way to embed YouTube videos in Canva. So to do that, I do believe you do need the Pro account. So you want to scroll all the way down on your toolbar here and hit more, and then you can search embed. And it's this blue icon here, embeds. So if you have a YouTube video, you can just take the link of the video and just insert it here, and then Canva will find it and upload it here. But in this case, I'm just going to click on YouTube right here, and it's going to be Canva's video. But that's pretty much how simple it can be. It's just a matter of copying the link and inserting it right here into Canva and add to design. Very simple. So let's just pretend that this is the listing video for this specific property. Now we're gonna add I want to add some text inside here. At the top, I'm just gonna hit T for text. Whoa. And then we are gonna put something like, actually, I'm going to change this text to something like this. And then I'm going to say, we're going to make this all capitals, have a peek inside. Okay. Now you can change this color as well. Maybe I'll put a background on it so we can read it better. I'm going to use this green color here, and to add some more fun, we're going to put in some more white animations. So go back to your elements, search white animations, and we're going to again filter it by animated, apply. Just go white. There. White again, so just search white, and then you can click the color and press the animated one. So you have all these funky little GIFs or little graphics. And for this one, let's just go ahead and use this one, make it look sparkly, and we want to put this at the front. I'm just going to put this at the corners of the videos, and then I'm going to duplicate that on the other side. So I'm just going to press Alt on my keyboard, Alt or Option on your keyboard, and then just drag it to the other side like that. A little bit hard to see, but you kind of get the idea here. Now the fourth one, again, like I said, is going to be the CTA, the call to action. So this is a great page to literally just put your face and all your contact information, since you are the listing agent. So for this one, we are just going to put a green color. I'm going to go back to elements. I'm going to see if we can go white marble. Yeah, maybe one of these. I guess that was the same one. Okay, that's all good. We're just going to size that up just to give the flat color some dimension. Oh, there's also this one too. Oh, no, not the one that I want. Anyways, you can do whatever you want on this page. It doesn't matter at all. Then next up, we're going to add in a headshot. If you have one, let me see. Let me find one. I have so many. Where? Okay, this one. Now, my favorite tool. My favorite Canva Pro tool. I could not live without it. We're going to go to Edit Image, and we're going to go BG Remover, Background Remover. Click that. Let Canva do its magic. Ta-da! And click Apply. And then I'm just going to size me up here. And then to add some more separation for myself in the background, we're going to click on the image again, go to Edit Image, and we're going to go to Shadows. So you can do the glow option, which will do a whole outline around you, But for this one, I want to put the drop one so I can have a nice cascading shadow right behind me. And you can adjust the intensity of it, so the transparency, you can make it really, really bold, but I'm just going to keep it kind of subtle right here. Click apply. Now at this point, go ahead and add your name, the name of your brokerage, your office location if you have one, your cell number, your email, and your website. So I'm going to do that very quickly here. Alright, so I kind of just changed the background of the green to a little bit more of a sage light pastel green, so it's easier to read some of the text here. Again, like I said, go ahead and put in all of your contact information. Now here I have my website link, so when you actually create this to be either a PDF or an actual website promoted or done by Canva, you can add links here. So here I have my website, so what you want to do is just write out the text, then just grab that text, highlight it, and we're going to go up to the link icon, and then you're just going to put in your website or whatever link that you may have. Again, you can put in other social channels that you have, so like a Linktree, Instagram, Facebook, or in this case, if you have a listing, put the actual listing link or your real estate website and just click done. So now that you have all the pages done and completed to your liking, again, we have the first page, the second page with the listing details, the listing video, if you will, and your CTA call to action for people to actually reach out to you. Now this is where the magic happens. Okay, so to make this a landing page, we are going to go to share, and we are going to go to the more option, and we're going to click the websites. Now there are a few options that Canva gives you in order to push it out as a website. For this specific design, I like the scrolling feature, so we're just going to go with that. So we're going to open website, and bam, there you have it. Now here is the first page, the second page, the third page, and your fourth page. Now again, we linked this button here to the home tour, so if you click that, it should take you to the third page, and it does. Ta-da! And then if you have the video here, you can actually click on it and watch it. And there with this one, again, we've linked this to it could be the MLS listing or your real estate website, and it should be clickable and linked to your website like that. And there we go, beautiful. And there you have it. And now you see there is the link here. It is kind of long, and you can take this link and put it into a shortening link site like Bitly, or you can just put this directly into your Linktree or Instagram bio if you have it, and that way you can promote your listing. You can even share the bit link to your clients, and they can also post that to their social media pages as well. So there you have a landing page done by Canva. Alright, so that is it for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these Canva websites, because I think they are great and they're beautiful and they're wonderful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other tutorials somewhere here. And until next time, we will see you next time. Bye friends!